What's up, awesome people? Well, so today we're gonna jump off the rockhound, kinda off the rockhound thing, and we're gonna jump into gold, and we're gonna test some gold, and we're gonna test to find out how many carats and all that stuff it is. You know, is it 10 carat? Is it 14 carat? Is it 18 carat? Is it 22 carat? Is it, pure gold? Whatever. And what we're going to test it on is this cool little watch. Let's see if I can... Yeah, you can see it a little bit. And I'll show you pictures, a lot of pictures, as we go along. And so that's going to be the first part of this video. And so if you have some gold lying around, or maybe custom stuff that looks like gold, and you always wonder, it's a cheap way to go. I'll leave in the description for you the kit that I bought, which was, I don't know, 13 bucks. But if you have gold lying around in your old jewelry box, and you always wondered, and you just want to find out, it's a great way to do it, I guess. I watched a couple videos, so I know how to do it. So we're going to get to it right now. Okay, so here we are. We've got the premium testing stone. That's what it says. 2.4 inch. And this kit came with two of them, right? We have 10K, 14K, 18K, and 22 carat. The trick is that we take a little portion from our gold, which in this case is this watch, and we're going to scratch the gold across here like that. Okay, so we got nice, good, deep scratches for our gold. And then one at a time, we're going to add these, starting with the smallest one, which is 10K. And what we're going to do is we're going to just open it up. And now it's important not to scrub the tip of this through it. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to make some drops that will come together. Okay. Like that. Like that. And like that. So there's our 10K sitting on top of our gold scratch. There's our 10K right there. Now, as you can see, and I'll zoom in so you can, it hasn't affected our gold scratch from our watch at all, not even a little bit. It's clear that you can still see all the scratches behind that. Okay, so then next we'll move on to our 14K. And we'll move down a little bit so they don't come together. And we'll just drop it onto whew, boy, that one stinks. By the way, definitely have some ventilation, which I do. I have the doors and windows open. Well, the windows open anyways. Now, from that one, as we look at our scratches, they've disappeared. So, according to what we know, this is a 10K gold watch. Well, now that was kind of revealing. Sorry, kind of hard to see. But I'm telling you straight up, I got it as close as I possibly could without having to trip over the camera. And we know that that watch is now 10K. So if all you wanted to watch this video for was to learn how to do that, I'll leave a link in the description so you can go down and you can find this solution. It's on Amazon, it's on eBay, it's everywhere. So you can find a kit to test your own things that aren't marked. In the case of my watch, it wasn't marked. It's not marked anywhere. I went magnification all across it, everywhere. It is not marked, but it is 10K, and it is Russian. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to go through the process kind of like a detective, all of the things that I've uncovered, and it won't be very long, but you'll get the sense of it. If you happen to speak Russian or Bulgarian, wow, by all means, leave a comment on what you see here. And if you have any other tips, tricks, or secrets to find out, by all means, throw those in in the comments below as well, okay? And one other note that I'd like to say is eventually, now that I know that it's 10K, I'm certain that the band, the bezel, the case, all that is 10K. There's a good possibility there's a grade of diamonds in there. I don't know what the grade is, and I will eventually now, for sure, take it down and get it appraised. So you don't have to leave that tip in there. That's coming. But if you know anything about, old-time Russian watches or anything like that, by all means, please leave a comment in the description below. Appreciate it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so knowing that we now have 10 karat gold, it would be really nice to know what we have in troy ounces. So let's go ahead and measure it. Saw it was 0. Make sure it's on the thing. Looks like we've got 0.890 troy ounces.